Hey everyone, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I've already primed my eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. To set my eyes, I'm actually taking my E35 and going into the shade Glucose.
Reminds me of your voice. And even though we both made it out, you can still have my thoughts.
Using that same brush, we're going into the shade Cake Mix. We're gonna apply this shade to our crease, a little bit above, a little bit below.
Moments aren't ghosts in my mind, but they're bright and blue, and blue, and blue.
I'm taking my E25 and going into the shade Tongue Pop. We're gonna apply this to our crease. Using that same brush, we're going into Fresh Meat. We're gonna apply this to our crease as well. Blend it down.
Ain't gonna lie, I kinda like the rush. Your mind was on fire, no eyes ever watched. Nice searching for a different kind of high.
Taking our E45, we're going into the shade Ouch. We're gonna apply this to our crease. We just want to define our crease a little bit more.
Should probably just leave it, but I can't help it. Those moments aren't no ghosts in my mind, but they're bright and blue, and blue, and blue. And 10 years down the road,
Switching over to our E35, we're going into the shade Intravenous. We're gonna apply this shade to the outer corners of our eyes. Using that same brush, we're going to go into the shade Extraction. We're going to apply this to our outer corners of our eyes as well. Using our E37, we're going to blend.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello?
If you've watched my Alien palette green look, you'll notice that it is super difficult to blend those shadows. Now in this palette, totally different story. I am not having any problem. I'm just finding I can work very, very quickly with these shadows. All right, reaching for our E16, we're going into Cake Mix. We're gonna apply this to our lower lash line.
Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city.
Now we're going into Tongue Pop, doing the same thing, just not taking it in as far.
Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore.
We're gonna go into Ouch. We're gonna apply this at the outer corners of our lower lash line. Drag it on inwards, about right here.
Back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Back in the day in school with you fools when I was younger.
Now we're going into Fresh Meat, doing the same thing.
Skip class, we were living life waiting on the summer.
Focusing mainly on the outer corner, bringing it in a little bit.
Fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another.
Now we're going into Intravenous. We're gonna apply this to the outer corner of our lower lash line.
Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing.
Do the same thing you just did, but with Extraction.
Anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to.
Grab your E21 and smudge it.
Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new.
Taking your E17, go into intravenous and apply it to your upper waterline.
I don't hear from you like I used to.
Still using that same brush and that same color. We're going to just apply it ever so close to our lash line, our upper lash
I
line.
don't feel how I used to. I don't hear from you like I used to.
Use that same brush, go into extraction, and apply to your upper lash line.
I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel anymore.
Grab your E58 and go into the shade Sweetener. We're gonna apply this to the inner corners of our eyes.
Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Dragging it onto our lid.
Call me back and tell me something new.
Blend it on out. I've decided I'm going to use my Ultra Glow and Lightning Bolt using my E20.
Love with me reminds me of your voice. And even though we both made it out, you can still have my thoughts, tell you through these songs. I write them as notes on my phone instead of writing.
You guys, I almost forgot. Take your E46, apply your inner corner highlight. Which, yeah, mine's gonna be Lightning Bolt.
They're bright, I'm blue, I'm blue, I'm blue. And 10 years down the road,
I'm gonna apply my Grande Lash Primer and Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes off camera. And I might add some lipstick. I decided to apply Kylie's Lip Blush Bikini Bod. Here's the final look.
feelings again. No, I can't get it out of my head. Yeah. Ain't gonna lie, I kinda like the rush. Your mind was on fire. No eyes ever watched. Now you're searching for a different kind of high. Getting drunk on somebody else's lines. They come to me in words.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and hit that subscribe button, as well as let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Your thoughts regarding this video, of course. Unless you want to tell me everything that's on your mind, then I guess you can. Alright, bye guys.
I'll be sitting on the floor writing about you.